Second stopover, Chaong, Quezon. After 40 minutes. What should I'm gonna eat? I feel like to take a chocolate because I ate in Gateway Assam to garlic shrimp and mushroom. That's why I haven't done my desserts yet. And at the same time, I feel like to eat a burger. And there's a McDonald's on my back. And there's a convenience store here in front of me. So which is what? Mini, mini, mo. Oh, McDonald's.